Hi, today we are looking at section 8.2, which is solving problems involving rates. This section is essentially very similar to last section, except for our questions are mostly word questions and are typically a lot longer than they were in the previous section in terms of our description of what's going on. So we're essentially doing the same thing as yesterday, but now they are all word problems. So, for example, Joe is asked to order snacks for an office meeting of 150 people. He decides to order donuts and figures each person will average 2.5 donuts, and a box holds 12. How many donut boxes should he order? So, I would say the number of donuts needed would equal our donuts per person times our amount of people. So we have 2.5 times 150. That means we need 375 donuts. Now we're told a box only holds 12. So what we'll do is we'll take that 375 and divide it by 12. And that will give us our number of boxes. Now that gives us 31.25. Now, because the scenario will round us up, or else we would be short a donut or two for some of the staff members. Next example, Jane jogs at a rate of 8 kilometers an hour. If she does this for 2 hours, she burns 550 calories. John walks at 3 kilometers an hour, burning 60 calories every 30 minutes. If Jane jogs for 2.5 hours, how long will John have to walk to burn the same amount of calories? So first thing to notice with this question is it gives us more information than we needed. Essentially, we're dealing with how many calories, and we're told the burning rate for each person, as well as their speed. Their speed is not linked by any formula to amount of calories, so we might as well just cancel those speeds. That's just extra information thrown in to try to distract us. Now, we know that she's burning 550 calories in 2 hours, so we'll use that to come up with a unit rate. So that would be 550 calories every 2 hours. Which gives us 275 calories per hour. Now, we want to get how many she does in 2.5 hours. So we'll call this Jane total calories. That equal our time of 2.5 hours times her rate of 275 calories per hour. Now, because we've set this up properly, this cancels with this. So we have 2.5 times 275, which gives us 687.5 calories. Now we'll look at John's stuff. So John burns 60 calories every 30 minutes. So we'll calculate John's unit rate. Which is 60 calories every 30 minutes, which is 0.5 hours. So he does 120 calories per hour. Now we want to figure out how much time it will take him to do this. So what we'll do is his time will equal the total amount of calories, so 687.5 divided by the rate at which he expends. And that gives him 5.7 hours.